It is that time of the year. It is snowing outside, and it did start to melt a little bit, so we might still go out today, maybe. But it's that time of the year. Homeless care packages came in, so today we're gonna do a unboxing, and then anybody that watches this and wants to help hand these out and stuff, we're just going to bag all this stuff up, and go up to Burlington, Vermont. It's about 45, maybe 40 minutes from my house. We're gonna go up and just hand out care packages. So let me know, hit me up if you guys want to do that. But today we're just gonna show you guys, if you guys want to do this. This is one of my favorite things to do. I have watched Brian636 do this for years, and I envied that. And as soon as I could get the chance, I ordered all the stuff. And so this will be the first ever homeless care package giveaway. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, if you guys wanted to get this or do this kind of stuff, you can watch this unboxing and see what they're really in need of and what they would most appreciate if you were giving them care packages. So alright, let's get right into this. Alright. So starting off, thank you guys. This video will just be about what you guys need to get, or what they need most. We're not going to take videos or pictures of when we're giving out and stuff, but I wanted to show you guys, if you guys want to do this, what you guys may need or want to buy, so you can make a little care package and do this for yourself. So first off, this looks like scarves. A nice set of scarves, warm, keep it around their neck. They could wrap it around their head, whatever, you know. Scarves are always nice. This came in a different package, just by the way. These are nice, warm, heavy-duty socks. So these are going to be very useful as well. Second, nice, cozy, soft blankets. These blankets come in all colors, but these are going to be super useful to keep them warm. You know, that is the main thing, to keep them comfortable. One thing that I did not say is, before we go out, we are going to be buying like a few, I don't know, probably a dozen cans of dog food, because a lot of these people out here have dogs and have pets, and if we give them stuff, we want to give both of those people in need, you know, like things, instead of giving them one thing and then having them try to share it. So yeah, we're gonna grab dog food, and any of the pets out there are gonna get a whole can of nice dog food. Nothing cheap. Alright, next off, beanies. Nice thick beanies. Hats, awesome. Those are gonna be perfect. Again, next off, this came a part of the package, and I got nice thick heavy-duty socks, but they give you a nice bunch of white socks. Those are nice just for anything, you know. They are warm, but I wanted to make sure they were super heavy-duty warm. In this state, it gets to below freezing and below zero at times, so I want to make sure I got heavy-duty socks as well. And one of the last things in this care package is gloves. In this state, A lot of them are trying to feed their dogs, stuff like that. And you got to be able to move your fingers and move around without having to take off, you know, things, layers to move and do stuff. So all this stuff will be packaged up and will be a set of one. So we'll put one hat, one scarf, one pair of white socks, one pair of heavy duty socks, one glove, and one blanket in a bag, and we will go up to Burlington and hand all these out. Oh, excuse me. So as I said before, if anybody wants to help, oh my god, excuse me. If anybody wants to help, hit me up. This is something I am doing out of the kindness of my heart. I want to help my community and help whoever is out there in need. So anybody that does want to help me, I would really appreciate it. Anybody that knows somebody, or if you are somebody happening to watch this, really in need, on the street, in the cold right now. Vermont is 26 right now and dropping. So I care about you. I want to make sure you're warm and safe. So I got these care packages, and they will be going out. I'll probably wait a few days till snow hits again. And yeah. So hit me up. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys ever did wonder what these packages were, this is all the stuff that you might or want to get. And yeah, so thank you guys, and until next time.